Paul here. Welcome back to another affirmation tutorial. Now, today I want to share with you about subliminal affirmations and another tutorial in Audacity because I've had many questions on some of the videos I've made. So I want to give you a bit more clarity to help you with your subliminal affirmations. Now, specifically today, what I want to talk about is the two ways in which you can make subliminals. One of them is a silent method, and the other one is to actually use regular affirmations and just lowering the volume. So we'll start with that now. I'll show you some tools that you can use and what you need to download for free along this. And I'll also mention how you can use, if you want to add brown noise to your affirmations as well. Okay, so in Audacity, you can see that I have my affirmation track at the top, and then I have some music down the bottom. So we'll start off with creating a silent affirmation. And the first thing you want to do is go to this website and download the free plugin for Audacity. I'm going to leave all the links in the description below where you can get them. And this is going to enable you to make a silent subliminal affirmation. So you're going to click on the download button. So just be mindful when you do click the button, you might get one or two ads. It took me a couple of attempts, but there we have it. You're going to select the file where you want to save it. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so what I'm going to do is select this track, which is the affirmation. Then we're going to go on to Tools, Nyquist Prompt. We're going to load in the file that we just downloaded. This is the one, hit open. Then we're going to hit apply. This looks good, hit apply again. And it's just going to apply this. So if you notice the sounds on this audio here, once this is finished processing, you'll notice that they change. Okay, so that's done the work there. I'm just going to mute this one and then play so that you can listen to the top one, and you'll notice that you don't actually hear it, but you can still see the sound waves. So this is actually now, just check this one out a minute. Wrong button. Yeah, so you can see there's volume on there, but your ears aren't picking up the affirmations. And this is a silent subliminal affirmation now, because your subconscious is still going to pick this information up. It's just that you can't hear it to the human ear, which is what's going to make it effective. Okay, great. So what I'm going to do is just undo that a minute. So it should go back to how it was. Now, some people have told me that they've had problems with high-pitched frequencies and different noises, and it's okay to overlay tracks and have different audios, and some other questions that are coming up. And so I just want to show you a much simpler way to do your subliminal affirmations if you want, and it's going to work in the same way. So right now, this is just an affirmation track. So if I play it, I will be able to hear the affirmations that I've spoken, and just like I have the audio down here. So the simplest way to do this is actually to come on here, and then if you want to go on to effect, and then we'll go to normalize. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put, say, minus, let's do like a minus 22. This is going to lower the sound down. So this is super quiet now. The other option you can do is you can just change the volume on the dial here. And then what you would do is essentially you would just play the track, you listen to your music. You want to get to the point where you're listening to it and you can hear some words being spoken, but you can't quite make out what they are. And this is going to have the same effect because the subconscious is going to pick up on this, but you're not consciously listening to all of the words. So you know how in the music, generally the vocals of a song are at the front of the music. You can still hear the music well, but you should be able to hear the lyrics. In this instance, what we're trying to do is we want the music or the song, if you want to use it, to be overpowering so that you can't really make out what the affirmations are. And this is what's going to make it subliminal. And another option, if you don't want to have background music and you want it to be silent, or you just kind of want to disconnect, you can come onto this website here. I'll leave it in the description, and you can get this completely free. So there's some brown noise. If you want to listen to that instead, it's really just going to give you that background brown noise, and your subliminal would be behind this, and the frequency is still going to be there for your subconscious to pick up on. That's an option for you to use if you want that. And yeah, that's it for now. Lastly, I do just want to share with you that if you haven't checked out my Affirmation Breakthrough course, I have a whole course teaching you from start to finish. In module 1, we go over the secrets of how to create effective affirmations, common mistakes, the main elements to doing that. We look at scripting your affirmations, how to identify your limiting beliefs. I have a belief shifter tool where we're going to extract those limiting beliefs, get clarity on your values and the personal affirmations that are going to be beneficial to you. So we have all of the foundations there, and then we go into the recording techniques and tools, talking about equipment, all of the stuff that you need there, how to use AI, and then onto the actual recording techniques. If you want to go more advanced in Audacity and add the effects and all of that kind of stuff. And then there's some final touches there. And I'm going to be adding to this as well when people have, more questions and more things they want, then I'll just add to the course. And, if you do get it, you're going to be grandfathered in. So whatever is added to that, you're going to be part of that as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. If you do want to take your affirmations to the next level, you want to find clarity on who you are, what you want, what's holding you back, and get very specific guidance and advice to help you, then this is perfect for you. I'm going to leave a link below where you can check that one out, and it's on sale right now. So I hope you found that useful. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.